of life where everyday life is hectic, occupying, so focused, ambitious, determined, and sometimes full of stress. Stress of deliverables, stress of challenges, stress to balance and keep things aligned to roll and have momentum with each other. So to make sense of the whole picture, we can look at life as an empty canvas. When you come to this world, of course, you have no history, no future, you're just there as a paintbrush, as an artist, present with all your capabilities, with all the resources, with all the passion and the things that you like, the things that you don't. It actually turns out to be an opportunity. That is to paint the canvas of your life. So life in reality is made up of those colors of your characteristics, your values, your attributes, your actions, your sacrifices. But when we look at the modern world's memorandum, we don't see these things prevailing forward with the equal intensity as we see the food diversification or glorification, the infrastructure of buildings coming up, the solution in terms of transport. And how about human values? And what about human feelings? So in the modern world, we are told to just pack away all our feelings on the name of being ambition or following your success or achieving your dreams, which is certainly a good derivative. But in the result, are we burning the engine? Are we utilizing the fuel just for the cause of keeping the engine running? Or are we calculating the best utility of our fuel and this engine to cover the longer distance, to take these vehicles far enough in the journey of humanity? The stress to manage life and balance, keeping your ambitions at priority and yet putting up with relationships, friendships, learning, personal developments, health, fitness, and many other goals. So, to be precise, a human being is kind of lost in the ocean or the river of life for achievements. And that's where a lot of things happen in everyday life, where from a very early age to going on life experiences, there happens such traumas or mini episodes where a person starts to lose the sense of self and starts to adopt to its environment in order to be compatible. And that's where the lack of trust due to the experiences that has played a role in the past come into play. But internally, on a biological level or on a mental level, this constant pressure of keeping up for yourself or protecting yourself from the harm that can be caused from anywhere, because it has happened earlier, so obviously because of the human DNA functions, we are compelled to kind of replay in our system and always protect ourselves. And this is where we are all walking with the shells. And these shells are not only the barrier between us and our environment, but is also keeping the body's mechanism in a very unhealthy state, a state of fight and flight where the mechanism is not serving the person, the potential is not ready to be revealed, rather it's been closed over and over again in a resultant where a minimum operating system is active at a time. So how can we break it down? How can we get it from being minimal to the full potential whole self?